Today we're going to be framing in the walls up underneath them stairs, man. Hit a like and a follow, man. Every little bit helps. That's what Grandma said when she was pissing in the ocean while Grandpa was drowning. You're going to want that straighter lumber for this part of it because that way you're not fighting when you're trying to get it nailed on that ground and stuff. For everything up underneath them stairs, man, you just want to use cut off, anything that you can tweak around and make better. When finding the door size, you need to make sure you got room for trim on both sides of the door. Especially like in hallways, people just mess up right there. So make sure you've got an extra 2.5 inches for the door to sit in there, and then you want to stay off that corner about 5 inches for your final trim. Make sure to put a corner piece in there the right way. Hey, still listening? Plumbing straight at this point. You will have some boards that will need to be tweaked, and you need to know where you can use them at. Right here we use some up underneath the stairs because we could tweak it. We did use that a torpedo level to find the angle on there, so when we was cutting up them stairs we knew exactly what to cut them on. It was 41 degrees, and we are laying out on 16-inch centers. Now we did only run one single top plate because that was all there was needed for. That is coming along. It is looking very, very nice. All right, man, and that is how we framed in walls around stairs. Thank y'all very much for watching. Hit a like and a follow. 7D Construction.